What's up? What's up?
Yo, what's up guys? It's me again, cryptocurrency trader, and it's October 2, 2002. Malapit na naman ang New Year. So kanina lumabas tayo and then as usual, wala nang new normal, pero ang normal na napansin ko earlier is lahat naka-face mask. But with that, syempre, update ko na rin kayo. Ayun nga, medyo marami tayong pinagkabisihan these past few days. Ayan. Sabi ni Ma'am Renalyn Torres, ayan, it's good to be back. Welcome back po, mga ka-crypto, mga traders. Sabi ni Ma'am Renalyn Torres, Coach, saan ka na po ngayon? Syempre ma'am, dito pa rin. Sa puso mo. Ayun! QC pa rin tayo ma'am, QC pa rin. Siyempre, big shoutout muna natin. Siyempre yung mga nandito sa ating stream, especially kay Riar Villanes, kay Ma'am Renalyn Torres, of course, kay Crypto Damus, what's up? Kay Novo Jesus Castro. So sa mga nag-message sa akin sa Discord channel, again guys, hindi pa ako napag-check ng Discord. And big shoutout din nga pala sa mga Kaizen students, program attendees natin, or Kaizen student members natin. So you did a good job for following our instruction these past few weeks. And then with that, meron tayong bagong ibibigay na challenge para sa inyo. And also big shoutout din kay Roll Q, what's up? Kay Kerara, what's up? Kerara. Ayan. Maayong gabi din kay Eugene Singson and kay, syempre, Mary Ann Mirafuentes. Ayun, what's up, Mimi? Ayun, sabi ni Novo Jesus Castro, gagong ahit. Ayun, no. Big shoutout din kay Lark Kun. What's up? So, Red Day. Oy, Joe, what's up? Dami kong magandang balita galing sa'yo, ah. Marami akong narinig na balita sa'yo, ah. Good job, good job. Gaya nga ng sabi ko, may paglalagyan ka. Ayun. Big shout din kay Champy, ang champion ng mga Champy. Ayun guys, so syempre for tonight, balikan muna natin yung mga usual habits natin dito sa stream. As usual, punta muna tayo sa ating coin market cap. Matagal rin ako hindi nakapag-check ng coin market cap. So ayan, tignan natin, pulang-pula. Ayan guys, pulang-pula yung market cap natin ngayon. Okay, so market cap natin is already 332. So from 300 to 332 back to 340 billion. Balik na naman sa 330-ish billion. So let's see kung ano bang nangyayari. And also, kung may mga naririnig din kayo mga news regarding with President Trump, syempre hindi natin i-discuss dito. Okay, so pero definitely we will have a special special episode with those news. So, ipopost natin yan sa ating, dito syempre sa ating YouTube channel. Pero definitely, we are not going to discuss that sa ating live. Kasi we also want to focus on your chart requests. Especially, kung meron nga pala kayong mga chart requests, I want to see that on our comment section. So, it's quick time check muna tayo. It's already 7:42 in the evening na. So, kung meron kayong mga chart requests, again guys, I want to see that on our comment section before tayo mag-proceed sa ating BTC analysis. Ayun. So, we have a question from Rihar Bilianes. Patips lang ako, sir, paano masakyan ang mga altcoins? Paano masakyan ang mga altcoins? Definitely, first things first, dapat meron kang setup. Okay? Meron tayong tinatawag na trading setup. So, sa trading setup na yon, pag meron ka ng trading setup, wala kang ibang gagawin kundi yun lang ang i-execute mo. So, the number one reason kung bakit marami nasusunog sa trading, even though nung umpisa kumikita sila, is simply because they don't have a, sabihin natin, bread and butter setup. So, dapat kasi magkaroon ka ng bread and butter setup para during those times na during uncertainty, especially sa mga, sabihin natin ngayon, nagkakaroon ng market behavior. With your setup, masasabi mo na, sabihin natin, lagi mong tinitrade is ascending triangle. Okay? With ascending triangle, definitely, kung yan lang lagi mong ginagamit na pattern, makikita mo na rin yung mga pros and cons at saang market cycle siya nag-work. And definitely, kung ano din ba ang itsura ng pattern na yon. And paano mo masasabi na pag ganito yung ascending triangle, hindi mag-work ito. And pag ganito naman yung itsura ng ascending triangle, hindi mag-work ito. So, dapat with your setup, malalaman mo na rin kung ano yung win rate ng setup mo. Okay? So, that is also applicable when it comes to trading major currencies. And especially with BTC. Okay? So, regardless yan, pagdating sa setup. Kaya with that, lagi nating sinasabi dito na dapat you should advocate mastery. Ayun. So, ayan, meron na tayong mga message from our comment section. So, ayan, meron na tayong chart request from Erickson Fuertes, Wing USDT. Meron tayo sa Eugene, coming from Eugene Singson, meron tayong FLM USDT. So, from Larkun, Lend USDT. Coming from Hans Barakiel, Ethereum, ETH USDT. Kay Edmund naman, YFI USDT. So, ngayon guys, since Red Day, tingnan natin kung most of them is, check natin if most of the altcoins are correlated. Kasi, kung mapapansin niyo nung bumagsak yung BTC, some of the currencies ay bumagsak na rin. But, if we're going to compare that to other currencies like, eto, ano ba to? Yunus said Leo. Ano to? Yan, yung mga bagong algorithm na naglalabasan. Okay, so tingnan natin kung alin ba dito yung mga going up. So sa chart, no? CBT. Okay. So malamang pag ganito, ano to eh. Consolidation. Puma Pay, ayun no. Ayan, check natin. Okay, so far walang masyadong, lahat sila correlated. Okay, interesting. Sige, punta na tayo sa ating chart request. And by the way guys, going back to our BTC analysis, ayun, so hindi pa rin nagbabago ang analysis natin because the price is still moving on a range. And I'm also expecting, okay, we are also expecting a price pattern na possible na mangyari dito sa BTC. And definitely, I don't want to call this bullish. Siguro ang masasabi natin, yes, bullish on the current candlestick. Itong candlestick na to. And apparently, we had a red day for tonight. So, hindi natin masasabi kung hanggang kailan tong red day na to because if we're going to look at on a monthly time frame, possible din siya ma-follow up ng huge red candlestick dito which might retest or possible na balikan siya ditong level, balikan yung level na ito. And nabanggit din natin last month, which is during September, na possible din tayo magkaroon ng green month. Pero if we're going to go back sa ating daily time frame and weekly time frame, mukhang talagang malakas na malakas ang mga bears dito. But for this week, I'm also expecting for the price to go back again sa 10,100-ish area or 10,000 area for our support. So, kung titignan naman natin yung RSI natin, it is also holding very well. Pero may possibility din yan na tumagos. And ano bang araw ngayon? It's also Friday, no? So, you can also expect, eto guys, another tip. For Saturday and Sunday, wag muna kayo mag-trade. Abangan nyo yung monthly kasi sa mga ganitong uri ng market condition, it's better off na magpahinga lang muna kayo and then, alam nyo yun, pa isa-isang trade lang muna, pa isa-dalawa, and then test buy or test short, test long. Kasi if you're going to go, sabihin natin, if you're going to have a high conviction sa mga trades ninyo, possibility na magkaroon kayo ng mga unnecessary losses or baka kainin yung mga profits nyo na kinita nyo these previous rallies. Okay, so kung titignan din natin yung ating moving average, guys, isa yan sa ating gamit na indicator. It also tells us na possibly na baka balikan nga ulit din natin to, which is also in confluence din sa ating support level. So ayan yung isa kailangan natin bantayan dahil once na mahita natin ito, I think this is going to be a good scenario for a buy on support. Pero syempre, tignan din natin dahil medyo malalim-lalim pa ang hukay ng ni BTC pagdating sa ating monthly time frame. So baka balikan natin itong level na to. So it also means na pwede tayong bumalik sa 9,000 level once we break this level on our weekly time frame to daily time frame. But on our monthly time frame, ayan, makikita natin na malaking-malaki talaga yung distance between the moving average and the price. So possible talaga tayo magkaroon ng mean reversion, okay, dito sa level na to. So kailangan mukhang mariretest natin to, kaya ingat-ingat tayo dyan, guys. That's why kung makita din natin nakalagay dyan is break beyond this point is our GG zone. Okay, once na mangyayari yan, talagang GG na. But again, sobrang daming opportunity sa market. Wala tayong dapat ipagmadali dahil ang cryptocurrency market nandyan yan, matagal na yan nandyan. Since 2017, tinrade ko yan. I'm also surprised na hanggang ngayon marami pa rin opportunities. Kaya all you need to do, guys, is survive, learn what you did during bull market and then try to apply it. And then kung di naman kayo nag-iiba naman yung market ngayon, it's good for you to study what's happening right now with BTC since nagkaroon na nga tayo ng change of behavior. And also, nakikita ko na rin na medyo nagbabago na rin fractal niya, which also tells us na medyo naging unpredictable na yung movement ni BTC even though na pwede nating sundan yung kanyang fractals. Okay? So, balikan natin naman ngayon yung ating mga chart request. Umpisa natin especially with Erickson Fuentes. Meron tayong Wing USDT na request. Okay, so sana lumipad na to. Ayan, for our monthly time frame, kitang-kita na nauubos lahat ng ng buyers dito, which also tells us na sobrang lakas ng selling pressure. And going down to ating weekly time frame, we can also see there is a bearish engulfing, which tells us, tignan natin yung ating daily time frame kung meron siyang alignment and mukhang merong possible bounce na mangyayari dito. But again, guys, okay, be cautious dahil mukhang covered na yung ating red candlestick sa ating weekly time frame. Okay? So, kung magkakaroon to ng bounce, let's expect for the price to go back at this level. And then, I think, no, this is going to be a good news for Wing USDT kung maging bullish engulfing siya dahil on a daily time frame, possible nga niya na balikan itong level na to. Which also give us a 200%, no? Pero again, guys, hindi yan agad-agad na pupuntahan. And then you will also notice meron tayong RSI level dito na nakatusok. So, hindi lang kompleto information niya, but the fact na nandyan yung RSI also tells us na sobrang lakas talaga ng mga bears. Okay, so kung titignan naman natin yung retracement level nito using our Fibonacci level, okay? So, kung titignan natin dito is 382 and 618 level and 786. And also, nakikita din natin, guys, na in confluence din yung ating dating support na ngayon ay naging resistance na. So paano natin nasabi yon? Kung mapapansin natin itong green candlestick na to, this was a support level nung mga nakaraan na araw, and then let's expect that na maraming magre-reject yan. Why? The psychology behind it, it's possible na yung mga ipid dyan, they might look for at least a average price. So that's our analysis for Wing USDT. Syempre as a bonus, kung bibili kayo dito with Wing USDT, all I can say, medyo nakakita tayo ng sign of retracement because meron tayong tatlong candlestick dito. But since medyo malakas talaga yung sellers, mukhang na-retest niya yung first level natin dito, no? So may mga hindi siya hidden divergence, may mga hidden retracement areas dito, pero I don't want to mention that. Pero to put it simply, guys, if we're going to go back sa ating support and resistance concept, definitely you will notice na dati rin itong support na ngayon ay naging resistance. So once na magkaroon pa to ng as time goes by and lumipas yung sabi natin yung week, let's expect na if maging successful at mag-hold itong level na to, possible din yan mag-retest papunta dito sa 382 level, which also gave us a possible profit of 150%. Pero again guys, 150% looks promising, but possible din na hindi yan mangyari since again our monthly time frame is on a red month. So we'll see. Ang pinamaganda talaga gawin natin sa mga ganito scenario is to manage our risk and always focus on longevity. So that's our analysis for Wing USDT. I hope naging helpful yan, no? So ayoko magbigay ng mga magagandang risk to reward kasi baka ma-trigger kayo or maging influence yung sinabi ko na mapabili kayo with this kind of setup. So ayoko mangyari yon dahil in the first place, again, lahat ng ginagawa natin dito is not a financial advice. So maraming salamat Eugene Singson for your Erickson Fuentes pala, no? And then, ayun, punta naman tayo kay Eugene Singson. Ayan, Eugene Singson naman. Tingnan natin yung FLM. Unang basa ko kanina dito, FHM. Buti na, dinoble check natin. Ayan, so with our FLM, on our monthly time frame, kitang-kita natin na naubos talaga yung yung monthly candlestick ng FLM. So it also means na sobrang lakas talaga ng mga sellers. So if you caught the short, so possibly malaki talaga yung profit mo dyan. Pero in this case, mukhang mahirap talaga kunin yung mga ganyang highs, no? That's why we always want to rely on our stages of the market cycle. Okay, so going back sa ating weekly time frame. So based on our weekly time frame, mukhang nag-reflect yung nangyari dito, no? Tapos balikan natin yung daily kasi wala namang masyadong information, so wala tayong masyadong makikita dyan. So with our daily time frame, mukhang wala din tayong makikita dito. So it means it pushes us to go beyond daily time frame, which is very dangerous. Bakit? Dahil nandyan ang information niya, and possible guys na ang tendency dito is baka mamaya i-short nyo to. Ang concern ko dito guys, if you're going to short this, always remember na maraming buyers dyan na iniisip na this is cheap enough para bumili, and they are expecting na baka tumaas yan na sobrang taas. But again guys, siguro masabi ko dito, since na-break nyo na yung mga level na to, if gigil na gigil talaga kayo mag-short dito, all I can say is wait for the price to retrace and then dun kayo mag-short. But overall, looking on the overall market, medyo nababawasan tayo ng pera, which also tells us na possible nga na we might enter a bear market. So, kung titignan din natin yung Fibonacci level nito, from this level up to this level, up to this point, you will also notice na this level or dating support na naging resistance is also in confluence with our 382 Fibonacci level. So, ang price yan is 0.53. So, that's one of the level that you are looking for if you're going to short this. Pero again guys, bago kayo mag-short, bago kayo pumasok sa shorting, aralin nyo muna kung how shorting works and ano yung psychology behind inside the market if mag-short kayo sa ganyan. Kasi always remember, price doesn't move on a straight line. That's why iba ang mechanics pagdating sa long position. Kung maglo-long kayo, iba din ang mechanics pag magti-trade kayo ng short position. So that's our analysis for now. Wala tayong recommendation where to buy, where to sell. Pero ayun nga, nakita natin na this is our ideal area for if we're going to short this market. So that's our analysis for FLMUSD. I hope naging malaking tulong ito, Eugene Singson. So ayan, medyo nawala tayo ng sobrang tagal. That's why ito, babawi talaga tayo ng malupit. Babawi tayo ng matindi. Ayun. Okay, so that's our analysis for FLM. Maraming salamat ulit, Eugene Singson, for this chart request. And again guys, itong chart request natin is not a financial advice. Again, ang pagpindot pa rin ay nasa sa inyong kamay. Wala sa aking kamay kasi wala naman dito yung mouse ninyo. Okay? So kaya again, ang masabi ko lang, trade responsibly. So moving on sa ating Lend USDT, mukhang marami ang napautang dito. Okay, mukhang marami ang napalend. Okay, so with our Lend USDT, looking on our monthly time frame, very ideal for our retracement play ang nakikita natin with the Lend USDT, especially dito sa time frame na to. Moving on sa ating weekly time frame, you will also notice we are still or currently on a red month. So, possible pa yun magkaroon ng continuation on the downside and might retest this level. So, kung lalagyan naman natin ito ng ating Fibonacci retracement, let's see if there is a possible bounce area. So, ang pagplat natin is from this level to this level. Why? Because we are charting a uptrend market. So, ganun pag mag-chart tayo ng ating market pag uptrend siya, no? From left to right, and then hanapin nyo lang yung from this point, yung pinaka-low, and then yung pinaka-high. So, with that, you can also get your Fibonacci retracement area. So, in this case, it's also apparent na na-break na natin yung ating 382. And syempre, sakop pa rin yun ng 382 level itong area na to, no? So, I'm also expecting for this week, if there will be a bounce after a retest on this area, moving sa ating daily time frame, you will also notice na itong ating daily time frame is also in confluence with our moving average 100. So, ayan na isa sa ating titignan at inaabangan if we are going to trade Lend USDT. So, the next question here, Coach, bearish na ba yan? Possible na bearish na ito, pero kung makita natin moving average are still intact, dadaan pa rin niya sa distribution stage if magiging bearish na tayo. And also, you will notice there will be a breakdown once na pumasok na tayo sa ating bear market scenario. But as of now, you will also notice sa ating 50 na break na rin. So, ang kailangan na lang nating information dito is a swing high and then break of support. And then with that, doon tayo mag-short. Especially for our sellers, no? Pero as of now, guys, kailangan bantayan pa rin natin yung ating market cap kasi baka bigla may pumasok na pera. Diyan kayo may stop out if you're going to do short. Once again, this is not financial advice. So, lahat ng sinasabi natin dito is just an opinion. So, trade at your own risk. So, maraming salamat sa iyong chart request na Lend USDT, Lark yun. I hope naging malaking tulong ito. So, sobrang dry talaga na market ngayon. Matibay dahil some of the currencies is sobrang challenging talaga i-trade kasi wala kayong masyadong makikitang patterns dyan. For example, with Lend USDT, moving on sa ating 1 hour time frame, some of you might think of it na baka meron ditong ascending triangle. So, kung for example dito, no, I believe marami ding na-stop out dito. So, with this kind of strategy, ito yung sinasabi ko na meron tayong moving average 20, 50, and 100, which is very, sabihin natin, gamit na. Or yung strategy na yun is gamit na gamit ko. Pero, kung papansin ninyo, kahit nakita ko na meron tayong 20, 50, and 100 below our price, hindi pa rin ako nag-long, nagpahinga pa rin ako for the September. Simply because, inuuna pa rin natin syempre yung sinasabi ng price or ng candlesticks. Okay, so ayun guys, kung may mga nakita ka din kayong mga triangles dyan or triangles, again, aralin nyo or alamin ninyo kung ilan ba ang win rate ng mga strategy ninyo. Dahil hindi lahat ng triangle nag-work, hindi rin lahat ng mga inverse head and shoulder nag-work, hindi rin lahat ng triangle dito hindi nag-work. So ayan guys, eto makikita nyo, 'di ba? Kung iba-backtest niyan, some of them nagfi-fail din talaga. So as always, maraming salamat ulit Larkon sa iyong chart request. Again, pwede trade mo to. As always, make sure to manage your risk and trade responsibly. Okay, so for our next chart request, puntahan naman natin yung chart request ni Hans Barakiel. Punta tayo sa Ethereum USDT. So, syempre, umpisa natin ang ating analysis on our monthly time frame. This is also, sabi natin, correlated din siya with BTC. So, kung mapapansin natin yung behavior and yung moving average ni BTC is also the same with ETH. So, possibly din yan na balikan natin itong moving average nito. Moving on to our weekly time frame, you will also notice na hindi pa rin intact o sobrang ganda ng formation ng ating moving average, which also tells us na baka mamaya hindi niya pansinin itong moving average 100 na to. And I also see na kailangan talaga mangyari ito, guys, na ma-retest itong level na to. Kasi with that, if mangyari yan, we might enter a great bull market. And ayun, syempre, ang pinakaabang-abang natin, no? Kaya kung wala kayong masyadong setup ngayon, gaya nga ng sabi ko, guys, mas okay minsan na walang trade kaysa sa trade ka ng trade and then nung dumating na opportunity, doon ka na naubusan. So with this kind of market direction, ang pinakamasasabi ko lang dyan, guys, aralin nyo rin yung bear market, no? Aralin nyo siya kung paano siya nangyayari. And then after bear market, aralin nyo naman kung paano siya magka-transition to bull market. Kasi during bull market, ang napansin ko, sobrang hirap mag-transition ng ibang traders papuntang bull market. Kitang-kita na naman na bull market na. But yung iba hindi pa nakita yun because syempre, kailangan aralin mo rin kung paano ba siya nag-transition. Kasi hindi mo inaral kung paano nag-transition yun. Okay? Sinabit mo at pinasa mo. Okay, syempre, ayun guys, ang masasabi ko, dapat kailangan aralin nyo talaga yung mga setup niyo. Kasi kung magti-trade kayo, sabihin natin, nag-open kayo ng chart. Ngayon, maghahanap ka ngayon ng pattern. Pag naghanap ka ng pattern, syempre, may nakita ka dyan na, uy, mukhang falling wedge to. Ang gagawin mo, pupunta ka na naman ng Google. Pag pumunta ka na ng Google, syempre, maghahanap ka dyan. I-check mo kung alin ba dito yung kaparehas na ito. Mukhang hindi ito ito. Hindi ganun. Okay, hindi ganun ng trading, guys. Kailangan, again, meron kayong bread and butter. Kasi kung hindi nyo hindi kayo nagpe-prepare sa mga setups ninyo, definitely, along the way, kung una kumikita kayo, syempre, maboboard kayo niyan eh. Bayan, try ko naman ibang setup, try ko naman ibang pattern. So, definitely, hindi nyo maabot yung mastery. Okay. So, yun talaga yung pinaka-key sa trading. So, that's our analysis for Ethereum USDT. So, mapapansin natin, no, halos same lang talaga dahil ang market kasi natin is very correlated. So, this is also true with our RSI. So, expecting din ako na baka bukas magkaroon to ng retest, no? Isang candlestick lang kasi tingnan natin yung daily time frame, oh, nandito pa rin tayo sa loob nito eh. Tomorrow dito yan. So, we'll see kung magkakaroon siya ng green. So, baka magkaroon na to ng swing high. And then, kung mabutasin naman yan, ayun, doon na tayo magkakatalo. Kaya mariretest na tong level na to. Which is also maganda para makapag-prepare na rin tayo for the next great bull market. So, that's our analysis for Ethereum. So, kung hanapan mo ako or tatanungin mo ako saan maganda mag-trade dyan, ang masasabi ko, mas okay na wag ka mag-trade ngayon. Kasi kung makikita natin sa ating, based on our hula analysis, sa ating linya, na walang kasiguraduhan kung tama ba. Okay, kung papansinin ba ng price, ayan. It's very apparent na ang direction ng price is sideways. Okay, and syempre sa sideways, the high probability setup dyan is trading on highs and lows. Itong support and syempre itong resistance. Again, ang challenging dyan, hindi mo alam kung lalagos ba siya or bitin. Gaya nito. If gagamit ka naman ng Fibonacci dyan, sabihin natin, ayan, Fibonacci. O, pwede ako mag-short coach siya, 618. Okay, sige, pwede. Pero the next move, baka hindi mo masundan, doon ka na maligaw. Okay? So, again guys, especially with non-trending market, iwas kayo dyan. So that's our analysis for Ethereum. Maraming salamat ulit, Hans Barakel, for your chart request. So punta naman tayo dun kay Edmond Gonzaga. Regards na lang sa kapatid mo na si Tony and si Alex Gonzaga. Yun.
what's up?
Ayan. So punta naman tayo kay YFI USDT. So definitely, some of you, marami nakikita dito. So ang ganda ng trade na to, no? Talagang nagkaroon siya ng swing dito. And syempre, yung mga pattern traders dyan na nakikita ko dyan, coach, is head and shoulder. Ito yung balikat, ito yung ulo, ito yung balikat. Pero ang next question ko dyan, guys, inaral nyo ba kung kailan mag-fail ang head and shoulders? Kasi hindi nyo alam kung kailan mag-fail yan. Definitely, baka mamaya sumunod lang kayo sa pattern na to. And then, pilitin nyo ng pilitin. Bakit ganun hindi gumagana? Bakit ganun bigla ako na-stop out? So, for example, ito guys. No? Kung titignan natin, nagkaroon na siya ng break dito. Kung nasakyan mo to, edi good job. Pero the next problem dyan, paano ka nabigyan ka ng isang swing high na ganito? Diba? Edi nag-take profit ka dito. Tapos biglang tumuloy naman. O paano yun? Diba? So that's why, ingat-ingat kayo guys. Kaya lagi ko sinasabi, especially with this kind of market condition, dapat inaaral nyo yung mga movements niya. So, head and shoulder ba yan, coach? Yes. If we're going to talk about patterns, yes, head and shoulder yan. Pero, kung talagang gusto nyo i-trade to, we want to see a break on support muna bago tayo mag-short. Kasi, once na malaglag yan dyan, definitely may sasalo niyan. Okay, ang pinakamaganda niyong gawin dyan is wait for the price that will create a pattern. Anong pattern? Rising wedge. Kasi once na magkaroon ng rising wedge yan, so punta tayo sa rising wedge. Rising wedge pattern, so that is a bearish pattern. Ayun. So makikita natin na possible siya magkaroon ng retracement within this area. Kasi itong area na to, pag sinabayan mo yan, yes, makaka-scalp ka. Pero the next question is, kailan mo malalaman na magbe-breakdown na siya? Syempre, baka mamaya maubos yung oras mo dyan kakahintay. Pero kung maispatan mo at masabayan mo, edi good job. Pero the most high probable setup na nakikita ko dito is waiting for a pattern which is the rising wedge. And then, sabihin natin na nagkaroon na complete na yung retracement dito. Lagyan na naman natin siya ng Fibonacci retracement. You will also notice this area is also in confluence with our Fibonacci, which is 382. So with that, mataas talaga ang chance na once na mag-bounce siya dyan, yung mga dating support na magiging resistance na ngayon will short this area. So mataas ang probability na maging tama yung trade mo, but always again manage your risk just in case mag-fail yung pattern na yan. Okay, so next, punta naman tayo doon sa ating next chart request. Okay. Uy, welcome back. Coming from Jeremiah Shane Tarin. And maraming salamat. So, this Sunday, tuloy na yung meeting natin, guys. Sa lahat ng Kaizen program. Ayan. So, yan ang ating analysis for YFI. Next, punta naman tayo sa Algo USDT. Punta tayo sa Algo USDT. Punta natin yung ating monthly time frame. Ayan. So, mukhang mag-start na to magkaroon ng ranging market. Mag-start na to maging range. And we will also see if magkakaroon tayo ng swing dito sa area na to. And if that will happen, possible na magkaroon tayo ng isang another bull market. Pero syempre, tignan muna natin yung ating weekly time frame. So ayun nga guys, nagkikreate na naman siya ng ranging market. So this is our weekly time frame. Ito yung week natin ngayon. And possible na hindi pa yun matapos. Kaya kahit anong buy mo dyan sa ating smaller time frame, like daily time frame, like 4-hour time frame, yes, pwede mo yun short. Pero wag nyo kakalimutan yung always remind yourself, yung gaya na sinabi natin kanina, kung may nakikita kayong pattern na gaya ng ganyan, make sure na aralin nyo muna. Kasi if not, possible na yan ang maging cause ng pagkaipit nyo or pagkaroon nyo ng mga unnecessary losses. So I don't see any setup right now with Algo kasi nakikita ko na nasa isang malaking range na siya. So the tendency is baka maging matagal ang consolidation phase na to once na mag-enter siya sa again ang consolidation phase or accumulation phase. And with that, syempre we want to see another break of resistance. So medyo matagal-tagal pa to, possible na 2021 pa. And again, I hope na maging mali ako once na mag-support ito. And malay natin, no, pumunta yun dito sa area na to, which is also tells us na baka magkaroon tayo ng possible profit na 30%. Pero if you're going to ask me, the best setup for this area is syempre wait for the price to go above your resistance. Kasi the path to least resistance is nandun yung pinakamalaking profit. So, punta naman tayo sa CRV USDT ni Eugene Singson. So, with CRV, ayan guys, kitang-kita na sobrang bearish pa rin ng CRV. Okay. Nagkakaroon pa rin siya ng movement on the downside. So, that's why we don't want to trade this market. So, talagang sobrang laki na ng binaba niya, no? So, let's see kung nagre-reflect ba ito sa ating coin sa market cap. That's why binabantayan natin yung market cap natin dito. Okay, so I don't see any setup right now with CRV, pero kung magkakaroon to na breakdown, definitely that's an area for us to have a short position. So open natin yung ating moving average. Oh, ayan. So with our moving average, I also see a possible retest within this area. Okay, so does it mean ba na pwede nating ilong yan? So wag muna kayo maglulong with CRV kasi kitang-kita na malakas pa talaga yung momentum niya on the downside, especially with weekly time frame. Kaya ayan guys, abangan-abangan nyo. Okay, ingat-ingat tayo dyan, especially with CRV. Ayan. So CRV, makikita natin na nagkakaroon na ng strength yung mga bears. Nagkakaroon na siya ng strength dito. So possible ito guys, within this day or tomorrow, magkaroon siya ng continuation, napakalakas na continuation on the downside. Okay, since nandito na siya sa RSI below 30. Okay, so CRV definitely sumisilip na siya. Pero ayun, tignan natin kung magkakaroon pa to ng swing high dito. So retest, ito yung pinakamagandang siguro nakita ko na magandang i-short. Wait for retest dito, or kung ma-stop out ka dito, ito ang next area na abangan mo. Okay, so ayun guys. Alam ko medyo nabitin kayo, pero ayun guys, no. It's already 8:13 in the evening na. So definitely yung mga chart request ninyo will be entertained naman tomorrow. Ay, wala pala tayong live tomorrow. Okay? Wala pala tayong live tomorrow. So pahinga pala tayo guys sa Saturday and Sunday. And then we'll be back on Monday. Tapos Kaizen program at Kaizen program students, we tuloy na tuloy yung ating 4 p.m. this Sunday to analyze your trades or check your status on your Kaizen program. So ayun guys, medyo naninibago ako, matagal na pagpahinga sa ating live. Again guys, kung magti-trade kayo, make sure to plan your trade and trade your plan. And as always, trade responsibly. Maraming salamat sa panonood na ating live, especially sa mga familiar faces na lagi nanonood sa ating live. With that, maraming salamat and have a good night. Kita-kits tayo sa Monday. Marami tayong surprises na ilalabas next week. So kaya abangan. With that, maraming salamat and have a good night. Thank you guys.